You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, including of famous surnames and places in the US or the UK, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. So we've got one city that is famous in New York State, and there's a town in Kent in England. The British English pronunciation, the one that is used in the UK, is as Rochester. Rochester. Okay. In the US, however, the American English pronunciation is more as Rochester, Rochester, New York, or Rochester, Kent. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.